I'm recording this message from Seoul, South Korea, as I finish up my first presidential trip to Asia.
For a group with so much firepower, this team shone on defense, recording 17 shutouts. Michelle was in particular interested of a recording in which Lady Bird is critiquing President Johnson's performance. The general man, isn't that a great title? I'm the general manager of Stonehenge.
So have you been stuck inside with
I
all your
have.
negotiations?
That's part of the reason why I thought it'd be a great idea. We're pointing
it sort of
east over there.
It creeps up, yeah.